Squirrels, lively inhabitants of trees and parks, embody resourcefulness and agility. Their strong hind legs and sharp claws enable acrobatic leaps and tree-climbing feats. Squirrels have a diverse diet, from nuts and seeds to insects and fruits. Their cheek pouches, elastic and capable of expanding, help in storing and transporting food. Some species even scatter, hoard, burying catches of food to find later. Squirrels' front teeth continually grow, requiring constant gnawing to prevent overgrowth. Urban adaptability is evident as they thrive in cities. Their playful antics and essential role in seed dispersal bring nature's vibrancy to our daily lives.